Hi everyone, my name is Emilie and I'm the State Relationship Manager for NDSP Plan Managers here in Victoria and also in Tassie. Now I myself am based in North Melbourne, so you're probably aware that I'm very familiar with the walls of my apartment, but actually the lockdown presented a really good opportunity for me to focus on something that NDSP has been working on for quite a while, and that's actually education to support participants, families, and also other professionals in the sector. So I've sort of actually brought all of my experiences in the sector together, including experiences outside of NDSP Plan Managers. Whilst NDSP would not help with access requests, for example, or preparing evidence for reviews, I myself have done that one-on-one with clients and seen some really good outcomes. So I just decided to bring all of my experience together and create this series for you called Easy as Pie, with the aim that once you finish watching the series, you will be enjoying your NDIS plan, much the same as a delicious, juicy apple pie. So I hope you enjoy, and I will see you soon for episode 1. Thanks.